Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to a video on Noob Train. I saw my friend Lucas play this game, link in the description to his channel, and I really wanted to check it out. So yeah, I'll head into it. So it seems like you can make a amount of noobs. That's a lot of noobs. Like, I'm talking a lot. You can go up like 1,000. No, that's 100. 1,000. But we're gonna be sticking to a small amount of size because at the end of stick around till the end for me to literally lag out my game so much that I might even crash. So yeah. Let me put in my brother's account. And then, yeah, you can check it out. Follow him. This is my brother's account. What's up? Alright, so let's try 50 noobs and 100 walk speed. That's a lot of noobs. And they kind of look like army men. So, to war! To war! To war! Let's go, men! Let's go to war. And the noobs kind of get chaotic when they're out of line, so... yeah. They don't like it. Yeah, they just run. So I have to reset them. 100 noobs. That's a lot. Look how much that is. And they follow your every move. Which is nice. Oh, we're just stuck. Jeez. Man, are you okay? Yeah, this game can get chaotic at sometimes. Oh wait, I forgot. There's something called jump power. Yeah, jump power. How about like 1,000 jump power? Yeah, we fly. We technically just fly. So let's summon 50 noobs. Let me do come on. I thought that was Lucas' name, but yeah. Check out the link in the description to see Sonic Flash, Lightning. 600. Whee! This is amazing. This is like super fun. For walk speed, I'm gonna set to I'll set it to 1,000. Whoa! Oh my god! Yeah, now we're like as fast as Sonic. We're fast at this point. We can just set our speed to like 1 million or something. Alright, time to run. That is so fast. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is insane! This is so... I'm in the nose. Oh, look at my character! It's glitching out! I'm in the freaking nose. Look at him! He's literally glitching out. He's literally melting. Guys, I think we broke the game. We're going higher than ever. The Roblox character is not supposed to go this high. He's glitching out. He's melting. Guys, I think we need some help. Are we going up or down? I can't tell. But what I can tell is that we're glitching out more and more. The face is getting messed up. Oh my.